problem. This is a previous question. Write down here. Evaluate. Evaluate. Integral over curve C. X square plus xy dx plus x square plus y square dy, where C is the boundary. C is the boundary of the region region bounded by the lines x equals to 0, x equals to 1, y equals to 0, and y equals to 1. See, in the given problem, we don't have any curves mark. Directly, they're given the values x equals to 0 to 1, y equals to 0 to 1. Clear? Now C is the boundary of the region bounded by the lines only. So there is no need to write the diagram because of these are the direct lines x equals to 0 and x equals to 1, y equals to 0 and y equals to 1. See what is the concept of what is the solution here? Same as it is. Evaluation means we are going to find the double integration. Remember, evaluating of line integral means we are going to find the value of double integration. That double integration value is the answer of this line integration. Is it clear, all of you? Once again, I'm repeating. Evaluating of line integral by using the Green's theorem means we are going to find the double integration value. The double integration value answer is the line integral value. In the given problem, there is not mentioning the Green's method. Okay, there is not mentioning any method named Green's theorem. How we are going to identify this is the Green's problem? Evaluating the line integral. Evaluating the line integral means we are going to choose the double integration value so that the relation between the line integral and the double integration is nothing but the Green's theorem. So obviously we go for the Green's theorem. Clear, all of you? Now, solution as it is here, the given which is of the form, which one ma here? X square plus xy dx plus x square plus y square dy, which is of the form, line integral over curve C m dx plus n dy. Right? Therefore, what is capital M? Dx coefficient. Here, dx coefficient is this one, x square plus xy. And capital N, what is capital N? Dy coefficient, x square plus y square. See, using the Green's theorem. What is the Green's theorem? We know that the Green's theorem. What is the Green's theorem? Integral over curve C m dx plus n dy equals to double integration dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. This is the region bounded by. Now we are going to find the double integration value. Then obviously that is applicable for the single integration. For that, partially differentiating with respect to y to the capital M term. So that dou m by dou y, that is equals to what here? With respect to the y, x square is purely constant. Constant derivative is a 0. X is a constant for the second term. X is taken outside. Y differentiating is the 1. Dou m by dou y is the x. Again, partially differentiating with respect to x to the capital N, so that dou n by dou x, which is partially differentiating, the independent variable is the x, y square is purely constant. So x square differentiating is the 2x, right? The partial derivative is completed. Now consider RHS term. What is RHS? Double integration of R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. So that is equals to, first of all, we are going to substitute these partial derivatives. Then after we are going to clear about the limits. Now dou n by dou x. What is dou n by dou x? 2x minus dou m by dou y, x into dx dy. See, these two integrations having, we are going to take the limits. Now see the question. Already we have here 2x minus x is the x. Integration y equals to 0 to 1 and integration x equals to 0 to 1 x dx into dy. Integration of x is x square by 2. Here we have the outside one integration is there. Again integration of x is x square by 2 and the limits are 0 to 1 into dy. It is clear? Now x square, that means 1 square is the 1. 1 by 2 is a constant taken outside. 0 is nothing but 0. 1 by 2 minus 0 is the 1 by 2. Integration y equals to 0 to 1 dy is the remaining 1 by 2. Integration of dy is the y and the limits are 0 to 1. Again substitution of upper limit. Here 1 minus lower limit is the 0. See, 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0 is the 1. That is the answer is 1 by 2. Now, this line integral value is what here? 1 by 2. Therefore, integral over curve C m dx plus n dy value is what here? 1 by 2. This is the double integration value. But by using the Green's theorem, the double integration answer is goes to the line integral. This answer is what now? 1 by 2. Is it clear? Any doubts, ma?